You have taken off on me 3 different times, Mr. Osborne. If you think that we are going to give you a PR bond, you are charged with assault bodily injury. You're facing a year in jail. You had an offer in this case where they were going to dismiss this case, and you have repeatedly taken off, not once, not twice, but thrice. I am not going to give you a PR bond, and we are taking you into custody now. Your bond is now set at $10,003 because of all the times that you have taken off. And I get that you're in high school. But the problem is that you have already taken off 3 times. If I let you go now, what does that tell you? What? It tells you that it's okay for you to do what you're doing and not to hold you accountable. And that's not what we do here. You need to understand that courts are here for a reason.
All right, pause right here. Before we even hear the judge finish the sentence, understand this. Missing court isn't a slap on the wrist issue. Judges track this closely, and once someone is labeled a flight risk,
to court orders for a reason. And when you fail to comply, when you fail to show, there are real world consequences. And I don't know if you have anyone that's going to bond you out. If not, you will be stuck like Chuck with me until this thing is over. And I'm going to tell you now, I'm not into this pleading guilty, time served just to get out, just to ruin your life. I'm not going to let you do that.
Accepted the BCI, the states said it was.
I get it, but I'm not letting him out. I mean, it's 3 times the case. How old is this case? It's a year old, and
You set your bond at 10,000, so you 1,000.
well, I don't know, because whatever they're going to charge you, I don't know. You're a flight risk. They may charge you more. Sure.
I don't recall even 3 times.
You have a criminal case. You know that you were supposed to keep up with it. There's no out of sight, out of mind. You should have enough wherewithal to say, you know what? I haven't had court.
This ain't the place for the next question. All right.
You should have enough wherewithal to know, you know what? I have court, and I haven't heard in a long time. What's going on? The only reason you are here now is because what happened?
Funding companies get the case reinstated or new bonds. That's it. We wanted to let the court know it was our fault for not notifying him.
I'm not going to follow the sword. It's not your
fault. I do understand. Yes.
You know, if it was one time, okay. But we have 3 different times. It's unacceptable. Okay. Sure.
He did miss court 3 times, but he missed the first one because I couldn't reach him because the phone number I had was disconnected. I reset it 2 more times to try to get in contact with him. So he didn't purposely miss 3 court dates. It's because I couldn't. The phone number I had for him.
He knows he has court, Mr. Scott.
I understand.
You know, behavior has consequences. And now you're going to see that there are serious consequences to it. He goes with you. Guys, I'm not out for it. But I want him to understand that we're in business. If he is unable to make a bond by tomorrow, then we can talk. And I'm happy to entertain perhaps something tomorrow. I get it that he's in high school, but I want him to understand that we're in business. And if I just let him go now, it's enabling, and it's not a good thing. But I'm happy perhaps tomorrow if he's unable to make bond, we can talk about a PR bond tomorrow.
Should we just set him for review?
He's going to come back tomorrow regardless because they'll auto-populate. Because that's what happens when we take someone into custody; they auto-populate for the next day. So we can talk about it tomorrow. Because I'm not going to let him plead guilty just to get out and just to get a conviction on his record. And I'm happy to do this, but I want him to understand that we're in business and we're not playing games. So if he's still here tomorrow, we can talk about doing a PR bond and we'll let him try that. But I'm going to tell you now, he gets an ankle monitor curfew, and I'm going to drug test him. And I'm going to be his dad. That's it. Okay. All right. Thank you.
Everything changes. Watch how fast the tone escalates from discussion to custody. This is a huge moment. When the judge says no PR bond, that's legal speak for,
Mr. Vidales, you know, believe it or not, we want to help you. But we need to have you evaluated. And every time we try to do that, you don't let them do it. The quicker way to get out is just talk to them. Let us know what's going on. Once it happens, we can work to try to get you released.
I got my plans. I got like 1,000 deals going out of there everywhere. I got about 10,000 deals.
And I want to help you get to those deals, but can you help us with do the report?
I already did the report.
They said you wouldn't talk to them.
I did talk to them. They were asking me stupid Y98 questions, all types of stupid questions. I got 8 apartments. I got 8 bandos. I got 10,000 deals going on. I got all types of, I'm leaving Broadway. I'm not going back to no Broadway. I'm going to Honduras. I'm going to El Salvador. I'm going to Tokyo. Fuck Houston. I'm not staying in Houston. Houston is bullshitting me.
Houston's great. It's
Houston
hot.
is bullshitting me.
Right.
It's always been bullshit.
And I love my town. It's just too hot. But other than that, it's great.
So, can you please just let me go?
If you talk to my...
I already talked to them. I did talk to them.
They told me you started acting up and they couldn't talk to you.
They started asking me stupid. I'm going to scare them back up again. I'm going to scare them back again. I'm going to tell them, stop asking me stupid questions.
I mean, we're not gonna do anything until you talk to them.
That's a misdemeanor. Misdemeanor is 24 hours in jail. That's a ticket and a warrant.
How long you been in jail?
I've been in jail for 4 months. My charges are for 2 weeks.
Was it 24 hours?
My charges are for 2 weeks in jail. Walgreens got their own policy.
I want to help you out.
Walgreens got their own policy.
Talk to them.
If I steal $5 from Walgreens, that's a ticket and a warrant.
Talk to them.
Talk to who? Right now?
The doctors that come to see you.
I'm starving at this point. I'm starving. I eat $150 a week. I'm only ordering 1 bag of coffee. I'm starving. You got me sitting down looking like an idiot. Starving.
Look, no one's looking at you.
I'm the one who's starving at this point. I could eat 10 chicken soups and 10 bags of chips and cheese and then a whole bunch of coffee and chips and sodas and then water. I'm starving at this point. I'm starving. You got me sitting like an idiot starving.
I get you the food. Will you talk to the people?
Right now?
Well, it's going to take a bit of time.
You're going to get me resetted again.
If you talk to them, we'll work to get you out. But be nice.
I'm not going to talk to them. I'm not. I'm refusing.
And I'm going to set your case for trial then. We'll go to trial. If you're found guilty, then we'll just do the DDRP.
For what? For a misdemeanor?
You keep picking
I'm not going to even take it to trial.
I'm going to put it to trial.
How are you going to put a misdemeanor to trial?
3 cases, and we can do one after the other. And if you're found guilty, at that point, we'll just...
I'm going to drop off dead. I'm going to act the fool. You can punch me down and put me back in.
You've officially burned the court's trust. A PR bond is based on good faith. Miss Court 3 times, and that good faith is gone. Question for you. At what point should accountability outweigh second chances? This is actually a rare judicial moment. The judge is saying, I'm not letting you plead guilty just to get out. Translation. A quick guilty plea can permanently wreck a young person's future, and the court is trying, believe it or not.
What are you doing with yourself these days? Tell me, what is the last time what have you done to look for a job? Yes. Why you tell your sister to do it?
I don't think you really understand.
You need to learn how to use a computer.
They told me, and then I went to a friend of mine. She's not my friend, but she told me just to try to help me out. Out of my life is
Go there and ask them for an application and apply. Why haven't you done that? You've set this case off for 3 different times now. What have you been doing with yourself all day, every day? If I drug test you now, what's going to show up?
I came up cleaner with it.
I'm sending you right now. You've got me concerned the way you're acting right now, Mr. Galindo. I'm sending you for a drug test. You must come right back. If you fail to go take a drug test, you can take off with me. I'm going to make your bond extremely high. Do you understand? Take a seat. How's jail? Well, when you don't take off, what happens? We're not asking for much. All we want you to do is show up.
Judge, wait, can I speak?
No, don't.
I should just showed up.
She showed up, Judge. It's a new case that brought her back. It was a new case filing for.
Oh, she picked up a robbery.
Yeah,
That's right.
That's what he said.
Okay, my fault.
You're good. She has shown up, and her bonds are posted. So as soon as she goes back,
I don't know if this is better.
no, it's not. But
Picked up a robbery. Don't say more. Look, Miss Visor. Just be nice. It's not hard. That's all we're asking. If you pick up any new cases, holy moly, I'm going to lose it. Don't pick up any new cases. You've made bond again now. The only thing I'm asking you to do, don't go to any target. Don't go back to Memorial City Mall. I'm making that a condition of your bond. Do you understand? If you go back to one of these two places, the bond goes, okay? That's all I'm asking. And be nice. You have a lawyer. Stay in contact with the lawyer. They will tell you when you have to go back to court. If they tell me they can't get a hold of you because you're taking off, no more bonds. I'm going to revoke it. I'm going to raise it up. Give me questions.
No, sir.
Okay. You're on the robbery case as well, right? Okay. We can give you the same date as that robbery case as well. And then,
I got it.
yeah, this case isn't too long. So, okay, man.
And her bonds are posted. She's getting cut out as soon as she gets back. So.
All right, Miss Vazir, good luck.
Thank you, Judge.
All right. But wait, Deputy Anderson, she needs a sign. Okay. Brandon, you ready? Doug, you know, Mr. Akers, I was going to give you the benefit of the doubt as far as meth. Shh. Hey, we need to talk. As far as meth, cocaine, amphetamines, ecstasy, THC, I was going to give you the benefit of the doubt on all that. Because I know, because you tested positive just a couple days ago, that you were probably going to test positive today again. But alcohol is a different story. That doesn't stay in your system 2 days, 3 days. No. And I'm going to tell you now, Mr. Akers, the days of catch and release, done. Guess what happens now?
Thank you, Your Honor.
So I think that at this stage in the game, because we've had so many issues with Mr. Akers, I think probably T-Raz is what we need to do to figure out how we go forward here. But I think that I'm going to do Mr. Akers, I'm going to do everything in my power to help you. I know that you're not going to like it, and I know that you're going to go kicking and screaming, but I'm going to tell you now. That's it. It's done. And I'm not going to take anything because I want you to get the help that you need. Do you understand? Okay, it goes with you.
And now,
There's nothing, no justification you can get.
To stop that from happening, Tough Love, Courtroom Edition. Here's where things get messy. Defense is basically saying, yes, he missed court, but not intentionally. The problem? Responsibility still falls on the defendant. The court expects you to chase your case, not the other way around. Do you think intent should matter here, or just the outcome? Did you catch that? Ankle monitor, curfew, drug tests. The judge just became court-appointed dad. This is what happens when the system decides supervision is safer than freedom. It's strict, but it's also one last off-ramp before things get much worse. This is a turning point. Drug test results don't lie, And alcohol is the giveaway here. When the judge says catch and release is done, that's the system saying rehab or incarceration. Those are the only options left. Be honest. Do you think the court waited too long or showed more patience than most would